Wildcats, Lauren and Paige here, and today we wanted to show you all how to make a very tasty treat, milk bread. Originated in Japan, it is a soft, delicious, squishy, and sweet bread that doesn't take time to rise overnight either.
You're going to need 2/3 cup heavy cream, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 1/3 cup sugar, 1/2 cup cake flour, 3.5 cups of bread flour, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon active dry yeast, egg wash, which is 1 egg whisked with 1 teaspoon of water, simple syrup, which is 2 teaspoons of sugar dissolved in 2 teaspoons of hot water. This recipe will make 2 loaves, serve 16 people, and takes about 25 minutes to bake. Now, let's get started.
In the bowl of a mixer, add ingredients in the following order: heavy cream, milk, egg, sugar, cake flour, bread flour, yeast, and salt. If you don't have an electric mixer, it's fine to knead by hand. However, this will extend the time by 5 to 10 minutes.
After 15 minutes of kneading, the dough is ready for proofing. Cover the bowl with a damp towel and place it in a warm spot for 1 hour. The dough will grow to 1.5 times its original size.
In the meantime, grease 2 baking vessels on all sides with butter, such as 2 standard loaf pans or even a loaf pan and a 9-inch round cake pan.
After the hour of proofing, put the dough back in the mixer and stir for another 5 minutes to get rid of air bubbles. Dump the dough on a lightly floured surface and cut it in half. You can shape the dough however you'd like, but we'll be making loaves. You can make a loaf with 1/2 of the dough by cutting it into 3 pieces and placing them in the loaf pan. Once shaped, let the dough proof for another hour.
Position a rack in the middle of the oven and preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 175 degrees Celsius. Brush the risen dough with egg wash. Bake the loaves for 23 to 25 minutes. Remove from the oven and brush the buns with sugar water to give them a great shine, sweetness, and color. Finally, your milk bread is ready for tasting.